create database and the database name. Then execute the query. Yes, now the database is created. You can check here. Okay. Then to insert the data in the database, we first write a command use in the database name, execute. Yes. Okay. Let's create a table. Create table. Let's give the table name as employee. In that, we have name and we are giving the database name as varchar, length 255, and also another variable age. For age, the data type is integer. Okay, let's give the length as 100. Employee destination, this is also varchar. Let's give it 225. Employee ID, varchar, to 25 length. Then close the bracket, semicolon. Let's run this code. Okay, now the table is created. Let's make employee ID as a primary key. Yes, the table is updated and also created. Okay, let's create another table. Refresh and check. Employee 1 and employee 2 tables are created. Now let's insert the values. Insert into and the table name. Values. Then give the employee name. Give any name within the single quote, comma, age of the employee, Let's give 25, and also designation of the employee ID, one BE, close the bracket and semicolon. Let's run this. Is getting the error employee 3 doesn't exist because we have not created the employee 3 table. Only we have employee 1 and 2. Let's change the employee 3 name as employee 1. Now run, refresh and check the data. Yes, you can see here the row is created and also employee details. Okay, let's insert another row. Change the employee name and employee age, designation, and also employee ID. Now execute the query. Okay, now the data is inserted into the table employee 1. We can see the data. We have two different data here. Let's insert another data. Let's duplicate the data. Error is duplicate key employee 1 primary. We have made employee ID as a primary key. So let's change the table name. For employee 3 table, the data is inserted. We can refresh and check the data. Yes, here we can see the duplicated data, second one and third one, current, because we have not made the employee ID as a primary key. So now delete the duplicated row from the employee 3 table. Create table employee new as a new table name as select distinct star from employee 3 table. Now execute the query. Okay, there are no errors. Check the employee 3 table. Sorry, employee new. Now the duplicated row is deleted. Drop now drop the original table. Drop table employee 3. Now the old table employee 3 is deleted. As we can see, the employee 3 name table is not present. Now rename the table name to original table name. Rename the new table to original table. Write a query, alter table employee new rename